Welcome to Research Rock. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a KODAK Micro SD memory card. This memory card comes 128GB. I'm purchasing this one from the Temu website. I'm purchasing this product. Price is very affordable. Link is available on video description. Now we will do unboxing and how to fix this SSD card to my GoPro, and it's really working or not. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start. So this is the SSD card. Look at this here. You can record the video 4K Ultra HD 128GB. You can fix this SSD card in different product as well. One of them I have, and that one is a GoPro. Packing is really impressive for this price. The quality is really nice. You can use this adapter and put it on the DSLR camera as well. But we have the GoPro. I just simply open here previous memory card of mine and I connect this one, new one. Now I just simply start. So now I just simply scroll up preferences. First of all, we just simply delete, reset, and the format the SSD card first of all, and format successfully done. I just simply go back. The memory card is successfully working on our GoPro. It's really nice and affordable price for this memory card, and after that I'm definitely use this product. Future recording video, I definitely use this SSD card. So this is the simple unboxing and installation for this memory card. If you have any question related on this memory card, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.